Hello! Welcome to Business Text Messaging Tutorials. In this video, you're going to see how to broadcast a text message remotely from a mobile device. You can remote broadcast a text message from your mobile to your subscription list using our remote access tool. This can be extremely helpful to send emergency texts to your subscribers if you don't have online access. In this video, you're going to see how to add authorized mobile phone numbers for remote broadcast. Log onto the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Campaigns. Then, click on the plus button to add a new campaign. Click on the Text to Send button. Give the campaign a relevant name. The Send to Text number is pre-selected and is the number assigned to your account. Select the subscriber list for which you want to enable remote broadcast by clicking the Forward to List drop-down. If you would like to use a keyword for your remote broadcast messages, add a keyword. The keyword must be 4 or more characters. Click Save to save the campaign. Now, let's add authorized mobile numbers from which you want to broadcast messages. Click on the Add New button. Then type in the number you wish to authorize. Click OK to save. Now, let's see how to send a broadcast message from a mobile phone. Compose a new text message, starting with your keyword. And now, you type in your message and press Send. As you can see, you have received confirmation of your message being sent to your subscriber list. Thanks for watching.